heard really good reviews from it, so let's jump right into it.
Guys, today, open the sign. Go ahead, open it. Okay. I help you? Yes. Okay.
No way! That's no way, guys.
Don't suck it. No way.
Oh my god, guys, look what it comes with. A donut squishy and a taco squishy.
And look at these.
Look, watch this. And then it also comes with a mint.
And also you can put slime in here.
And what's this right here?
Activators for slime and glue right here. And glitter glues. And this is paint, a bowl, and some cool stuff over here that I can't wait to open. Okay guys, so these are the instructions. Remember, never throw them away or you will not be able to make the slime. So first step, measure 15 white glue or pour it into a bowl. But you can use clear glue or white glue. But what we're going to use is clear glue.
But it already comes with the clear and the white glue, so that's good.
25 millimeters of water.
So you need water?
And in the room temperature.
Okay.
Pour it in. Wow.
And that's the water?
Yep. Now let's mix.
Wow, guys, it's so cool.
Yeah. Right now we'll be adding color to it. Okay guys, so after adding the clear glue and the water, now we're gonna add some activator to it. Took off the cover. Okay. Now let's see how much we need to put. So here it says 5 millimeters.
Hey, I want to hold it.
Hey, we got it. So now let's pour it in. Mix again.
Okay. Yeah, guys, it's a good slime.
Wow, it already starting is look like slime.
Whoa, it's a good show. It's a good show.
Okay guys, so we're just gonna keep on mixing it until it turns really gooey until it looks like this. Like a burger. But without color. Num 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 num. Mix.
I'm using the mixer to make this slime. It's my turn, guys.
Okay, so you're gonna use a white glue?
Yeah.
Okay, how much white glue do you need in there?
15 millimeters.
Okay, so let's do 15.
I'll tell you when.
Hey, guys, look, this is a tomato.
Squish it really hard. Okay, keep on. You're doing good. I'll go this way.
Okay, so it looks like this is a little mixer right here to mix the slime. So go ahead and put it in there.
Pour.
And if you need to, you can get like one of those little mixing sticks.
I'll get it for you. I got it. Thinking ahead.
Okay, and just make sure you drop all the glue in
Hey,
there.
guys, look.
And let's look at Noah's. How is yours turning out? That looks good, right?
It's like a cup of potato.
So it looks like the white glue needs more water, so it actually needs 30 millimeters. So go ahead and put the water in. And now you need to add the activator.
Okay.
So don't mix it yet, because you need to add the activator. How much activator do you need?
Let's see. We need
5 millimeters.
The same as the other one?
Yep.
Okay, we got it, guys.
Okay, go ahead and put it in there.
Mix.
Okay.
Mix away.
Make sure that the top is on right. Is it on right? Okay, now go ahead and mix it. We haven't used one of these before, so this is actually our first time.
This looks so cool, guys.
Oh,
Okay, now, so what color are you gonna pick?
this one.
The glitter? Okay. Anything else that you want to add to it? You don't want to add any of these colors? Look, there's a green color right there. You want to add that one?
Oh, guys, look. It's so pretty. Think it's still enough. That's it. Guys, look, guys. I make it. Look, guys. It's a cake.
Okay guys, so Noah wants green glitter, so we'll put green glitter.
Whoa. Da. Guess that.
Okay guys, so what we got in here was clay. It's air dry, it's lightweight, it does not crumble or flake. It's paintable, use any paint. And we got beads, glitter, and some flakes. Got some more stars, some beads, and these beads. We have a lot of beads, guys.
Okay, I'll put on. It's not good stuff. Now, come here out. What's this?
Good job.
Done enough, guys.
That's enough?
Wow, mine's so pretty, guys.
Let me see yours.
What I made, guys.
Hey, look, guys, it's getting
Wow.
up. Hey, look,
This is
guys,
mine.
it's getting up.
Guys, so this is what mine looks like so far. Looks pretty cool. Has a lot of glitter. I like it a lot.
And this is mine, and I'm gonna put it to this one. So open this up. Wow.
Jimmy can help.
Look at my guys. Look. It's making fun. Yes, ugly. My strawberry. My strawberry. My strawberry. And Jimmy's cookie. And he is cookie. You guys, look, my so sorry.
No, it's not.
What?
I can make it into
Let's
a
go
ball.
under the maple.
No, but you're gonna make noises.
Oh, my so good.
It kind of looks like Jello. Super stretchy. and durable. Look, a little bit there.
I'm gonna try doing what I'm measuring it.
Okay.
Put it back together. And then rip. And then. Oh, it makes snappy. Snappy slime. Stretch it. What I feel like. Okay, guys, so these actually look very metallic. Look at them.
I want this one.
Yeah, they're metallic.
Give it to me.
They're-
No!
Okay, open it for you. Okay, carefully.
Coffee! Yeah, yeah.
I open it for you.
Ooh.
Wow, that is metallic. Mix it around.
No, not yet. Oh yeah, and let me try. Guys, I'm at paint, glitter, and it's so fun. So, and you get, and it comes with spoons so you can put the paint. this one. And
faster.
one scoop. And 2 scoops.
I think that's good.
And you put the spoon right there. Now, what's my mixer? Here. Oh. And it comes with these also. Pretty special. Oh, that looks like bubblegum, and it's come out really pretty. And this is how mine
Let's put
came
some
out.
glitter in it.
Wow, it's so nice. That's insane.
Wow, that looks cool. Actually, sounds really squishy and it's funny. Look.
And this is how mine came out. Do it. Is that power? Okay, guys, I'm gonna put it in the donut. See how it looks. Funny. It's so inviting. What's up, Jimmy? Look at my side, that one, guys. Gosh. Yeah?
Yeah.
This one, I like these. I like all these. Oh, my, so pretty, guys. Ah, why so pretty, guys? Okay.
Now I'm gonna try to snap it like my other one. I'll squish it.
Gosh.
And then hear the noise?
It's my hand.
I'm gonna snap it in half. Do that. Snap it in half again. And then. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna add the clay and see how it turns out.
And I'm gonna put some in this.
Okay, guys. So this actually does feel like real clay that you would use to play. Real. No, bigger piece.
Oh,
add the clay.
Like of water.
So it's really cool and just I don't know how to explain this. This is how cool it is. I really do recommend buying this. And you can make over 50 slimes. There's 2 bottles of activator, 2 bottles of glue, and another 2 bottles of clear glue. Look at that piece.
Yeah. Whoa!
No more.
Guys, this is how hard it is.
Yeah, but it's gonna make it cooler.
I know, right? This is the
Guys, this just turned into cloud slime. Okay, guys, so look at all these cool slimes we made. I'll tell you the names. This is a cloud slime that we made. And this is a cloud slime.
You sure? I want to see it.
Like that. And then this is the blue one. And it snaps, which is really, really cool.
And this one is the cloudy one, but I painted it.
And it has beads as a special effect.
Easy for now.
One is also a clear slime, but with glitter and flakes. It's actually really cool. Can this one also snap like mine?
And then
Okay.
use this one. Okay, I'll go to mine.
So these are Noah's slimes.
I'll make them
This is a purple one with
blue. Yeehaw. This is mine. Run. Slimy bird and Slappy in the face. I always do this with every single slime and then always slap me. That's the problem.
So for everything that it has here, all of this, it's totally worth it. I recommend buying it. You can make all these slimes. 50 slimes with all these big containers, metallic paint. Really recommend this. Best toy of the year, I think. Guys, and the squishies are also really awesome. Taco?
Well, me put the slime with you.
Guac. Word.
Good Tuesday! Okay, squish it. Squish it, squish. Remember guys, do not eat slime.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video and I'm really glad that you were here with us to do all these cool slimes and like, subscribe or you'll get 10 years of bad luck.